So if you're looking for a big bun, like think Bridget Bardot, think Pamela Anderson, this is the style for you. Let me show you how. So I'm going to create the foundation for the bun. So I'm just going to grab hold of like a circle of hair all the way around the crown, and this is going to be the base of our bun. And I want the bun to sit about here, so that's where I'm going to put the hair tie. So next I want to leave out these pieces at the side. I'm going to curl these at the end, but I'm just going to create a really nice kind of sweeping motion. So I'm taking hold of this side bit and just sort of draping it like that, and I'm just going to pin that into place. And then I'm going to take this next section, and again, you can leave some little bits out if you want to. Behind the ear, I'll curl those at the ends. And again, I'm just going to sweep this up. So just kind of keep moving around the head, just roughly pin. The bun's going to cover these pins, so don't worry about them. And then again, we're back to the side bit. So I am just going to leave some of these out and pin these afterwards. And again, we're just going to kind of sweep up at the side using our fingers, nothing too perfect. So I'm just using a little bit of hair padding. This is like one of those bun donuts that I've just cut up a little bit. And I'm just going to pin this so I've just got a little bit of extra volume. So there's lots of different ways that we can create a really big bun here, but today I'm going to go with this method. So I'm just going to take a section of hair, smooth it out so it sort of hasn't got its flyaways. I'm going to pop an elastic in. Create a little hole through there and just flip it through. And then I'm going to tease this hair big. And then I'm just going to kind of pull that round to the front, get a little grip and push that in. Leave that tail out for now. And I'm going to repeat that process again. Curl these up again, and we're going to be draping these into the style. So I'm coming back to these side bits now, the curls, and I'm just pushing down on the side a little bit to create a bit of back comb, and then just gently brushing over that. And then we're just going to kind of pin these into the style. So we've got loads of volume at the top and at the front, moving round to the sides. I'm just loving all the sweeping. I personally like quite a bit of hair left out, but if you wanted to pin more of this back, you could. Sweeping on the other side, I think Freya looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you think.